We're going to create a beautiful little kind of Brigitte Bardot inspired hairstyle. Now on the top of the hair, let's take out a rectangle like that. The back of the hair we're going to lift up and I'm going to place it into a simple twist. Just twist it up and we're going to pin this into place. Now I'm going to use a hair pad on this and I'm going to use a Patrick Cameron Patariki. This is a great hair pad to use and it's so easy to attach to the hair. Okay, they come in two different colours. They come in a blonde and a dark brown. I'm going to use the blonde on the hair. Simply clip it to the twist. Now take the tails and make sure that the tails are all messy and casual. Now you can pin into the hair pad. They are amazing. They hold the hair pads beautifully. Then we're going to go to the front area. I'm just going to bring the front area around very, very casually like that. And just pull it a little bit and add it to the rest of the hairstyle. Sweep it around. This is a fantastic little hairstyle.